Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to access Jellyfin from anywhere. So first of all, I will let you know you can set up Jellyfin Media using NordVPN. So I will show you some steps how you can set up. So first of all, you have to download Jellyfin from their official website. If I click on their website, so this is their website, all you have to do is click on the download now button and the Jellyfin installer file will be downloaded on your PC. Now once you have downloaded Jellyfin, all you have to do is open the installer file, and all you have to do is follow the setup prompts and click on next, and then you have to sign into your server. And after signing in, you have to add media libraries. So you have to navigate to the library section and click the plus icon in order to add your media libraries. Type the desired content type and select the display name. So next to the folder icon, click on the plus symbol, and then you have to copy and paste the path of the folder that you want to paste. After that, click on OK. Then you have to restrict the remote access. So you have to first of all go back to the Jellyfin dashboard and then scroll down to the remote access settings section, and in the remote IP address filter you have to enter 100.64.0.0/10. After that, you have to click on save. Now you have successfully restricted the remote access. Now in order to access the remote server, you have to download NordVPN. You can download it from their website, the NordVPN official website, and after downloading NordVPN, you have to sign in the NordVPN and connect to the network. So what you have to do is go to the meshnet section and toggle it from off to on. Once it's turned on, you have to copy your device Nord name. So once you have copied, then you have to install the Jellyfin media player from here, or if you want to use Jellyfin on your phone or your mobile device, you can also download the mobile device from this section. So after downloading Jellyfin on your other device, all you have to do is paste the Nord name into your other device and then add a colon and add 8096 after the following by the Nord address, and simply click on connect. Now you can successfully access Jellyfin from anywhere in the world. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.